Hi everybody, and thanks for joining me on the Guru Brew. Today we're going to be discussing a project that will be coming up for our Halloween special that we're doing on the Guru Brew. I'll give you a little hint and tell you that it involves one of these or one of these. These are CNC routers that can cut wood, plastic, metal, and some of this plexiglass sheeting from our local home supplier. So let me get a few things together. The coffee's going, and we'll discuss more in a minute. So there is one more important part of the puzzle that I forgot to mention. The Halloween project involves all this stuff. Okay, here we are sitting down at my computer, and I wanted to show you what the mystery project is for our Halloween special. Here it is on the screen. We like to call it the FrankenCube, and what we plan to do is take some leftover computer parts that we've had laying around and make our own little computer made out of plexiglass, metal, and wood. And this is a representation that I drew up here in SolidWorks to give you an idea what it's going to look like. We plan to etch the side with a picture of Frankenstein that will glow through the plexiglass. We plan to have a light in here, possibly some USB ports on the outside. This is wood with just some rubber feet or something like that would be nice. These angles, and I'll show you that metal before I close this video, is just some angle aluminum, and it was also picked up from our home store along with the acrylic panels. It has a top wood piece as well. Inside are all the components. I don't think we're going to put a CD, an optical drive in it. I just had the optical drive sitting up there for scale. I thought I might put it in, but now that I'm looking at it, I really don't think that we're going to go ahead and put it in. This is just a fun project that's going to light up. It'll be a computer that could certainly be used. Let me isolate some of the parts here and show you how the bottom will be cut on the CNC machine to accommodate the pieces. This represents how the bottom will be cut on the CNC machine. Right in here will be the angle pieces, and then of course the acrylic on the sides. There's the holes for our legs, and the top is much just like the bottom. Let me put these pieces back on here. You can isolate the top here. Isolate, here we go. And there's the top, and there's the fan hole. So we're trying to cut all the holes and channels and grooves and everything else in the wood on the CNC as much as possible, so handwork is kept to a minimum. I'm thinking for the wood pieces, we're going to use 1/2-inch MDF board, or perhaps some pine. I'm not really sure yet. This is just a rough drawing. The acrylic is the stuff that I showed you on the table before. It's roughly 1/4 inch, and it's 1/8-inch aluminum thick channel that I'll show you here in just a bit. So there's the project. We're dubbing it FrankenCube for our Halloween coming up, and I think it's going to look real good with a light in there, with Frankie shining through when we turn the lights off. So this will be the project. Stay tuned, and I'll show you the aluminum, and then we'll wrap up this video for today. Here we are back in the wood shop, and I'm just getting all my materials together. This is the aluminum channel that I showed you on the screen. It's just been picked up at Home Depot. It's a 3/4 inch aluminum channel. It's roughly maybe an 1/8 inch thick, maybe a little less. And it's going to support the sides. I'm thinking about using rivets to hold the whole thing together, which will add a nice touch. Here's the plexiglass that comes in the sheets. I could give you a rough size on the sheets. Yeah, they're 24 by 18. So we'll be using these sheets for the sides. The wood, let me see if I can grab a piece of MDF. The top and bottom pieces will probably be MDF. It's the easiest to machine. Here's two different choices that we have. This is 1/2 inch MDF, and then this is 1/4 inch. I'm thinking that the 1/2 inch will be a lot better. That way I'll be able to cut down halfway through it to make the grooves for the acrylic and the channel. So I believe these are going to be the parts we're going to need. Wood for the top and the bottom, made of 1/2 inch MDF. Our acrylic sheets, which are they're probably about 3/16 thick. And then of course the aluminum angle, which is 3/4 inch by roughly 1/16, maybe a little bit more. So there's all the pieces. Hey, make sure that you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss different parts of this build. It's going to be a really fun one. Like I said before, I'm really looking forward to doing a couple projects for Halloween and getting our FrankenCube set up and lit up. And maybe we'll add some special effects using the green screen and play around with that. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Guru Brew. Take care. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.